Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa salad easy guide. Start by rinsing 1 cup quinoa, then cook with 2 cups water until tender. Fluff with a fork and let cool slightly. While it cooks, chop cucumbers, tomatoes, red onion, and fresh herbs. Prepare a simple dressing of olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Toss everything gently so the salad stays light and bright. Warm and conversational. Whisk together 3 tablespoons olive oil and 2 tablespoons lemon juice, then season with 1 teaspoon salt and a half teaspoon black pepper. If you prefer tang, add a splash more lemon. For richness, a small spoon of mustard helps emulsify. Combine the cooled quinoa and chopped veggies in a large bowl, pour the dressing over, and toss gently so each bite has flavor without getting soggy. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep and transporting quinoa salad so much easier and less messy, especially for busy lunches or picnics. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a set. They save time and keep your salad fresh. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. You can make this salad your own by adding feta, toasted almonds, or a can of rinsed chickpeas for extra protein and crunch. Try mixing in fruit like diced apple or pomegranate for sweetness, or swap lemon for apple cider vinegar for a different tang. Serve the salad warm or chilled, and store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days. Retoss before serving to refresh flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.